Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Sense 360 Investor. Today, let's take a quick look at the Dow Jones stocks and the Dow Jones index year to date since we now closed at the month of May. So if we look at the index, we can mostly you can see it's been a bit choppy, but year to date so far, and this is this line represents the last trading day of the year for the prior year. So we opened up about here. And you can see that the it's flat 5 months in, and then slightly down. So if you just bought the index and we're sitting in the index itself, and the index you'd have to buy DIA, you really have after 5 months, you have nothing to show for it, positive or negative. But if we drill down and look at its components, then the first surprise is that the best performing stock in the Dow Jones year to date is actually Salesforce. And Salesforce is not on most people's radar, but it's outperforming well-known headline stocks like Apple and Microsoft, which are also in the Dow Jones index. So we can see here Salesforce is up. Actually, it's a nice uptrend here. Is up 60% year to date. Microsoft is next up with about 39% year to date. Again, a nice uptrend pattern. And then Apple's in third place, also sporting a nice uptrend, up just below 39%. So those are the top three by a long shot. And Salesforce is by far the leading actor in the Dow 30 stocks. Following Apple is surprisingly Intel, which has been choppy, but that one's up 18% for the year. American Express is up 10, again, very choppy stock. McDonald's was up a little bit more, but it's pulled in. TAD is now up just below 10%. Boeing, again, choppy, is up 9. Visa, little choppy, up 9. Cisco then is up 4.5, but again, you can see a lot of volatility there. Walmart is up 4%. JP Morgan's up 2.87. Disney's up 2.36 for the year, but you can see just how choppy this is. And overall, kind of it's flat for the year almost, right? A little downward tint to it. Then we have Merck, which is flat at 0.02%. So these are all of the stocks that are positive, and that's 13 out of the 30 stocks are positive, and 13 out of the 30 stocks that are beating their index. Then we move on to the stocks that are negative for the year and underperforming their index. So I can have the Dow Chemicals, so choppy and down. So this one, and then we go to Procter Gamble, down 5%. Coca-Cola is down 5.6%. United Healthcare is down 6.83%. Goldman Sachs is down 7. IBM is down 7.8. Travelers Insurance is down 8.6. Home Depot is down 8.82. Verizon's down 9. Honeywell is down 9.53. Nike is down 9.58. And then Johnson Johnson is down 12.4. Caterpillar 12.5. Chevron is down 15. Amgen's down 18, so that's been trending down all year. Walgreens Boots Alliance is down shade under 19. And the worst performing stock out of the Dow 30 is 3M, down 21.24%. So we can see that other than, say, the top 5 stocks in the Dow constituents, which are Salesforce, Microsoft, Apple, Intel, and American Express, which are up 10% or more, out of that, the top 3 are up 60%, 38%, 38%, which are all tech stocks. Then the fourth stock, Intel, which clearly has had a bounce. Let's take a look at Intel, for example, and let's go out a little bit further. So we can see that Intel's had a long downtrend, and it's found support around the 24, 25 mark. And then since then, it's been moving slightly up here, pull back. Now it's coming back in. So you've got a little trend that's been broken here, slightly deeper trend that's going on here. But now it wasn't a mini downtrend channel here, which is now broken out of. So this is kind of a, like I would say, a surprise. And what this shows you that if you are only looking at relative strength and stocks near their relative strength highs or the 52-week highs, you will actually miss out on opportunities like this because clearly in Intel, and even more of an emphatic point is Salesforce. And so we can see Salesforce been coming down. So at this point, Salesforce is nowhere near its 52-week high. And yet this is the leading performing stock in the Dow Jones year to date. So had you managed to pick this up as the bottom down here, you would have been up at least year to date, at least 50%, or if not more. Okay, so it's worth taking a look at this every now and then on a monthly basis. So we'll take a look at mega caps as well, maybe tomorrow. But for now, I just wanted to share what the Dow Jones and its constituents are doing, and maybe there's an opportunity here for you. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And goodbye for now.